Air Force balloonist Captain Joseph Kittinger, Jr. is laced into an elaborate pressure suit in preparation for a daring ascent into the stratosphere. Kittinger, who weighs 150 pounds, packs 155 pounds of suit and equipment. The scientific goals of Kittinger's ascent are to test a new 6-foot stabilizer parachute designed to keep an ultra-high altitude jumper from spinning and blacking out before he can open the main chute. The balloon reaches a height of 19.5 miles.
Okay, do you read me, Felix? Activate suit and chest pack cameras.
The transport cameras are on. I can see the red lights.
Felix, disconnect the oxygen hose.
Roger. Okay, Joe, I'm ready.
There it is. There's the world out there. Release seatbelt. All right, stand up on the exterior step. Keep your head down, and our guardian angel will take care of you.
I'm doing it now.
Release the helmet tie-down strap.
Release the tree. What I can see. Sometimes you have to get up really high. The smaller you are. I'm going home now.
Speed 546.
You've been falling 25 seconds.
Speed 600 miles per hour. 650 miles per hour. Speed 700.
Felix, you calling me? Can anybody understand him? 1 minute. 1 minute free fall.
I have been following speed for a long time. Sounds like I had to pass out.
Showing Felix in a stable descent.
1 minute, 30 seconds, and stable as a rock.
Into free fall.
Oh yeah.
Felix, you're really stable. You fall in 3.5 minutes. Four minutes free fall.
I'm pulling my parachute.
And we have a good shoot on Felix at 8,000 feet.
Climb. That was really tough.
Felix, we're so proud of you. You did absolutely fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. I couldn't have done any better myself.
He'll let go.
Great going, Felix. Great going, buddy.
An automatic camera in the gondola films the leap, and Kittinger falls free, plummeting 16 miles before opening his chute. His maximum speed, 450 miles an hour. But the mission is a complete success. He hits the New Mexico desert with 4 new records.